Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia, and for today's video I wanted to do a spring look with some new products I picked up. All the products will be linked below, and I'll leave a little note on how they wore out throughout the day. I'm not doing a full face of new products, but I do have new products. So let's get started with this video right now. Alright, so now that we got the eyes primed and the brows are done, I'm going to use the Dominique Latte Palette, and this is what it looks like on the package. On the outside it has this beautiful rose gold, and on the inside it's even more pretty. It has all these colors that I'm super excited to try out. It has this blue, this purple, and a bunch of other shimmers and mattes and all that good stuff. So let's get this going. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with caramel, this one right here. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use a double shot, which is this beautiful purple color right here. And I'm gonna start adding that on the outer part of the eye. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add creme brulee, which is this beautiful shimmer color. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the inner part of the lid. If you guys can see that, but holy moly, that is a very pretty color. When that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into caramel. A little bit more of that double shot. So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the under eye for any fallout, which I don't think we even have much fallout, to be honest. Okay, so once the eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera because I'm not really using any new products for the foundation or concealer or any of that. Alright, so now that we got the foundation and concealer on and everything has been set with powder, we're gonna go ahead and move forward to some new products I picked up from Morphe. I got their high impact highlighter, their blushing babes, and their Morphe Brontour. So I'm excited to use these. I went and picked them up from their store because we have one near like 5 minutes away at the mall. So I was able to get these before they even came out online. So that's great. For the trio blush, I got the one in Pop of Fuchsia. And this is what the inside looks like. So then for the contour, I got it in Celebutante. And this is what the inside looks like. And it looks like one's a matte and one's a shimmer. And that's what they swatched like. They had a lighter version, so this is the next one down. For the highlight, they did come out with new highlights, but they didn't have them in store. They just had this little tiny one, the high impact. We're gonna start with the Brontour contour. We're gonna put the darker shade. I'm gonna use that to contour a little bit. we're gonna use the shimmer one to bronze up the skin. For the blush, I'm gonna go in with Edgy. Since we are doing more of a spring look, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the Visionary one, which is this one all the way at the end, and that one has a little bit of shimmer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the highlighter. Natural glow. You can barely see it. So next, I'm actually gonna go back into the Dominique Latte Palette, and I'm gonna use Macchiato as a highlight, and I'm just gonna put it on the highest point of my cheeks because I don't feel like I have enough highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the under eye with the Latte palette. I'm gonna go in with the caramel shade, this one right here. Grab the purple shade, which is the double shot. Let me just put that on the outer third of the eye. Make sure it connects with. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. I'm gonna go ahead and get creme brulee. Put that a little bit here. I'm gonna add a really pretty macchiato, which is the one we used as a highlight. Same shade and the brow bone. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes and I'll be back. Now that the eyes are done, lashes are mascaraed. No, that's not a word. Now that our mascara is on, which makes a very big difference, we're gonna go ahead and set the face. And I'm gonna be using the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. That's been sprayed. We're gonna finish off with the lip, and I'm gonna be using the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Charmed. And that finishes off today's look. So for the Dominique Latte palette, it is such a good eyeshadow palette. I mean, you guys can see the color on this. It's just so pretty, and I just love it because it's just, you know, everyday palette, but then you also get that pop of blue, and then you get a pop of purple, so you can have a little fun. And then for these, I would say they're not too bad. You just have to make sure you get the right shades for you. I had to pass a brush all over my face just because the bronzer did go on a little dark. And the highlight was okay. It's nothing blinding, so if you're into more natural highlights, then this one would be good for you. I still need to go, like I said, and pick up the other ones that they came out with, see if those are any brighter. Alright, so that does it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun trying out new products, and everything will be linked below. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up I also would appreciate if you guys would subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know next time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Come on. If I can ever open this. Really? Ta-da!